Welcome to our professional tile installation and removal channel. In this in-depth tutorial, we will show you exactly how to remove ceramic tiles from the edges of a swimming pool safely, efficiently, and with minimal damage to the pool structure. Whether you're renovating an old pool, replacing damaged tiles, or upgrading to a more luxurious finish like marble, mosaic, or terrazzo, this video will guide you through every step of the process. What you'll learn in this video: preparation. Steps. Learn how to properly prepare the work area to avoid damaging the pool, the coping, or nearby tiles. We cover how to protect the pool liner, edge structures, and water filtration components during tile removal. Tools you'll need. Discover the best tools for tile removal around swimming pools, including manual and electric chisels, hammer drills, pry bars, safety gear, and more. We also discuss how to choose the right blade or bit, depending on the type of mortar used. Step-by-step removal guide. Follow along as we demonstrate the tile removal process from start to finish. We show how to locate the expansion joints, how to loosen corner tiles, how to avoid damaging waterproofing membranes, and how to safely dispose of old ceramic tiles. Professional tips. Learn insider techniques that professional tilers use to save time and effort. We explain how to handle stubborn or heavily bonded tiles, how to reduce dust during demolition, and how to assess the condition of the substrate before installing new tiles. What to avoid. Many beginners make costly mistakes during tile removal. In this video, we highlight common errors, such as prying tiles too aggressively, skipping cleanup between steps, or damaging the coping stones and concrete edges. Next steps after removal. Once your tiles are removed, we guide you through what's next. Whether you're installing new ceramic tiles, natural stone, marble slabs, or a full waterproofing membrane, surface cleaning, leveling, and prepping are all covered to ensure your new installation is long-lasting and professional. Why this matters. Removing tiles from a pool edge is not like removing tiles from a kitchen or bathroom. Pools have unique construction features like expansion joints, curved edges, and water exposure that require extra care and experience. Doing this the right way can save you thousands in future repairs and greatly improve the final look of your pool. Who is this video for? DIY homeowners looking to renovate their pool area, tile installers, and construction professional, swim pool contractor Sanyan interested in learning tile demolition technique. In this video, 0 o'clock, introduction 145, tools and safety gear for 20, preparing the pool area 7:15, starting tile removal 12:30, dealing with difficult tiles 16:10, cleaning and surface prep 18:45. What's next after tile removal 21 o'clock, final tips and out. Rodden forget. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like. We regularly post detailed tutorials on ceramic tile installation, marble cutting, mosaic work, terrazzo polishing, and more. Turn on the bell icon so you won't miss any of our new uploads. Keywords: pool tile removal, remove ceramic tiles, swimming pool renovation, tile demolition guide, edge tile removal, DIY tile removal, tile around pool, replacing pool coping, poolside tile tips, ceramic removal without damage, tile prep for marble. Additional insights and best practices. Asterisk: when it comes to working around pools, safety is not just about using gloves and goggles, it's about understanding the structure of the pool itself. The edges of most pools contain expansion joints, drain, channels, and water sealing materials that can be accidentally damaged if you're not careful. In this extended guide, we go beyond just removing the tile. We help you understand why each step matters. Asterisk: we explain how to recognize signs of water infiltration, how to test for weak or hollow mortar beds, and what to do if you uncover mold, rusted rebar, or surface cracks under the tile. We also touch on how climate, hot sun, rain, freezing temperatures affects tile bonding and removal techniques. This is especially important for outdoor pool areas in varying weather conditions. Asterisk: choosing your next tile or surface finish. Asterisk: after removing your old ceramic tiles, you'll need to choose a new finish. We briefly introduce different surface materials suitable for pool edges, including asterisk: natural stone like marble and granite, perfect for elegant, high-end finishes. Asterisk: mosaic tiles, ideal for curved edges and adding visual interest. Asterisk: porcelain tiles, durable and slip-resistant, great for wet areas. Asterisk: terrazzo or exposed aggregate, a modern option for sleek poolside designs. Asterisk we offer suggestions on how to pick tiles based on slip resistance, UV resistance, ease of maintenance, and aesthetic appeal. Plus, you'll learn how to calculate the quantity needed and how to plan your layout based on pool curves or slopes. Asterisk repair and surface preparation tips. Asterisk once tiles are removed, the surface underneath is often uneven, chipped, or stained with old adhesive. We show you how to asterisk scrape away leftover mortar, asterisk clean concrete surfaces thoroughly, asterisk apply leveling compounds. If necessary, asterisk test for moisture or damp spots before installing new materials, asterisk we also include recommendations for applying a waterproof membrane or bonding primer before you begin retiling, especially in areas prone to water exposure or freeze-thaw cycles. Asterisk professional advice you won't get elsewhere. Asterisk throughout the video, we include practical advice from real-world projects, including asterisk when to call a structural engineer in case of damage or deep cracks. Asterisk how to create a dust barrier if working near a living area. Asterisk how to use a grinder safely near water. Asterisk what not to do when using power tools on older pool decks. Asterisk whether you're a skilled tile contractor or a homeowner doing your first pool project, this video gives you the confidence to do it right the first time. Asterisk want more? Asterisk check out our playlist of full-length tutorials on marble cutting, tile pattern, layouts, installing pool coping stones, and more. We're here to share knowledge from the job site, not just theory. Asterisk, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. We respond to as many as we can, and often feature your questions in upcoming videos.